Welcome to this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/15 by 1/18. Let's break it down into simple steps to make it easy to understand. First, let's examine our fractions. We have 1/15, where 1 is the numerator, the top number of the fraction, and 15 is the denominator, the bottom number. This fraction represents 1 part out of 15 equal parts. Now, let's look at the second fraction, 1/18. Here, 1 is the numerator and 18 is the denominator. This fraction signifies 1 part out of 18 equal parts. To multiply these fractions, we simply multiply their numerators together and then their denominators together. Multiplying the numerators, 1 times 1 gives us 1. For the denominators, 15 times 18 gives us 270. Therefore, 1/15 multiplied by 1/18 equals 1/270th. That's our final answer. It's really that straightforward. The fraction 1/270th is already in its simplest form. You've now learned how to multiply two fractions together. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.